Welcome to MiniTales World. Welcome.
Let's go to the jungle, quick, don't be late. The animals are lining up at the gate. With music and fun, they're ready to play. It's the jungle parade, hooray, hooray. Boom, 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 the drums are loud. The jungle parade draws a happy crowd. Clap your hands and tap your feet. March to the jungle beat. Animals dance, sing and play. It's the wildest parade today. Lion leads with a marching roar, golden mane and a mighty paw. He plays a drum strapped to his chest, pounding strong, he leads the rest. Elephant blows a trumpet tune, he sways along beneath the moon. With every step, the jungle shakes, he trumpets loud as the ground breaks. Giraffe taps bells on her tall legs, with leafy vines and jungle pegs. She stretches high, then takes a bow, tinkling bells with grace and wow. Parrot in red, green, yellow, and blue sing tweet, 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 peek-a-boo. She spins around on a leafy swing and fills the sky with song and sing. Monkey's beating his bongo drum, spinning, flipping, here he comes. He swings on vines, he flips, he lands. He shakes and claps his tiny hands. Zebra prances, stripes so neat, tapping hooves in a jazzy beat. He sways and dances side to side, grooving with jungle pride. Crocodile strums a jungle bass, with a smile on his scaly face. Thump, 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 so low and deep, even the sleepy snakes can't sleep. Kangaroo with a tambourine hops to the beat so quick and keen. Shake a shake and boing, 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 she jumps and makes the jungle sing. Boom, 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 the drums are loud. The jungle parade draws a happy crowd. Clap your hands and tap your feet. March to the jungle's jungle beat. Animals dance, sing and play. It's the wildest parade today. Now the music slows down low. The sun sets with a golden glow. The animals yawn, the stars appear, but they'll march again, don't you fear. Thanks for watching Jungle Parade. Subscribe to MiniTales World.